Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to P2P in the Binance app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button right here at the top. Simply select it. Then here you can find the option of P2P right here. Now open it. After opening it, you will see something like this. If you are new to P2P, you can simply tap on to new, and if you are not, you can simply tap on to yes. Now tap on to no, I'm new to P2P right here. For that, you need to have the KYC verification and SMS verification. Now I have already completed the KYC. Now to verify the SMS, tap on to enable. Now you need to add the phone number, add it. Now simply add your phone number. After adding your number, tap on to get code. After that, here we can find the option of P2P. Now tap on it. Then you can simply use the P2P to trade on the Binance app. And that's it. This is how you can P2P in the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.